Hello everyone, welcome back to Mad About Cards and Crafts and the 7 Kids Craft first ever YouTube hop and giveaway. Today I'm featuring Kitten Gems, which is one of the new stamp sets in Kelly's shop. Kelly is the owner of 7 Kids Stamps, and she is finally releasing her first ever stamp sets. If you head over to her store, it is linked in the description box below along with her Facebook page. She does have a bundle on all 3 sets that you'll see today, or you can buy these individually. This particular stamp set comes with 2 kitties, a mouse, some flowers, a bow, and some gems. And so I thought for this card that I'm demonstrating that I would share the Diamonds Are a Kitty's Best Friend sentiment along with a blingy card. At the end of my video is a share of 3 other cards that I made, not the process, just the share, and also a special card that was made by T. Tucker. I saw the card over on 7 Kids Facebook page and I wanted to share it because I thought she did just a fantastic job of scene building and coloring with it, and I wanted you to see how special these kitties or this kitty looks on that particular card. So here I'm doing some no-line watercoloring using my Zig Markers, and I did stamp these images out with Gina K Designs Amalgam Whisper ink. I'm not going to show you all of the coloring. I will show you this kitty and a couple of gems, but I leave, and the bow I believe, but I leave out the coloring that I did on the rest of those images, but I did use them on other cards, and those are the ones that I will share. So all of the products will be listed in the description box below. This is a giveaway hop, so the stamp set that I am using right now is the stamp set that we are giving away, and all you need to do is leave a comment and be a subscriber. So if you leave a comment on my channel and you are subscribed, that is 1 entry. If you go to another stop in the hop and leave a comment and are a subscriber, that is a 2nd entry. The giveaway closes, I believe, on May 2nd, and I will do the drawing and announcement here on my channel on May 8th. So I hope that you will hop along, support all of the other YouTubers who have taken time to showcase Kelly's fantastic stamps, and I just want to wish you some good luck. Now I am going to color up that little collar with pink. I thought that I would make her super feminine, and then I am going to come in with the Gina K Design wreath builder, and I thought that it would be really cute to take those gems that are part of the stamp set and stamp them around the kitty and put the kitty in the middle. So I wanted to add a little bling to this particular card, and then the other cards that I share at the end, you're going to see that I was able to get different styles. So the sentiments in this particular set are Diamonds Are a Kitty's Best Friend, and your, what was it? You're awesome. You're perfectly awesome. You're pretty awesome. Oh my goodness. I can't believe that I didn't know that, because guess what? I'm the one who came up with that sentiment, and I didn't even know what my own sentiment was. That's like really bad. That is the beauty of doing a voiceover. Sometimes you just lose your train of thought. Anyways, You're Pretty Awesome is the other sentiment, and I do use both of those. And then I also show how you can use some other sentiments in your stash to get some other different types of cards. Here I did use that wreath builder. I showed you that you just lay the stamp down and then you turn your paper and it will give you that perfect wreath. And now I'm coming in with my zigs, and I am going to color blue to kind of make it like a sapphire look, and then I'm making pink diamonds. I did color those flowers off screen, so they're going to be colored in the same pinks and blues, and I will, again, everything will be listed in the description box below. I also wanted to mention, in order to hop along, you can just click the hashtag in my description box, and that will take you to a list of everybody who is participating in this particular hop, or you can type into your search engine in YouTube, hashtag 7kidscrafts first ever, because obviously this is the first ever stamp sets that Kelly has created. I'm coming in and coloring on top the diamonds with diamond stickles to give it even some more bling, and then I will take crystal stickles and put that over the blue ones and set that aside. I did, this is a 4x4 piece of Bristol Smooth cardstock, and the kitty and all the images are also stamped on Bristol Smooth cardstock. I am using those same colors just to create a soft background. I will use some water to smooth that out. I will cut a vellum circle out of Lawn Fawn stitch circles because I did want to put that vellum behind the kitty. I am cutting this down to 3 3/4 by 3 3/4, and then I will put a 4x4 piece of Bitty Big, I believe it's blush paper behind it in the polka dots, or the gray, I'm sorry, I think I put the gray down first maybe. Yep, I'm going to put the gray down, so that's 3 3/4, or that's 4x4, and the background paper is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and then I'm going to cut 2 more sheets. So I will cut the gray down one more time, and I will cut that Bitty Big paper down one more time, and the card will end up being either 5x5 or 5 1/4 by 5 1/4, but I'll list that in the box below. Here I took some foam dimensions and I popped up the little kitty. I put the bow on her head, and then I'm going to start putting those flowers behind her. I just thought that this was such a cute little feminine card. I just absolutely love it. I did cut out some of those little leaves, and I'm going to tuck those in. I used my brother's Scan and Cut to cut the images out. There are no dies available for this, but they're pretty easy to either fussy cut if you're a good fussy cutter, or I use my brother's Scan and Cut. And then I'm going to take these Lucy's Cards gems. These ones look like little diamonds, and I'm going to fill in some of those spots. And then I have another set of Lucy Card gems, and again in the description box below will be the links for those. And I'm just going to take 4 little pink pearls, and I'm going to put those in the corner. So the reason that I built the card even bigger is I'm going to come in and I'm going to heat emboss on vellum that sentiment, and I will stamp it with Versamark black ink, and then I will heat emboss it with Ranger silver embossing powder. And when I cut it out, it hangs over just a little bit too much. I am going to create my own envelope for this, so I'm not really worried about the size, but I wanted it to be more balanced, and so I thought by adding 2 more layers to the back of it that it will balance it out. I will put this on a Nina Solar White 110-pound card base, and that will be cut square just like the card. And again, I will put those dimensions in the description box below. So I'll glue this little panel down, and then I will excuse me, start stamping my sentiment on a piece of heavy vellum. And I'm sorry, I don't know what vellum this is. This is a vellum that has been in my stash for quite some time, and so unfortunately I don't know what vellum it is. I would encourage you to hop along and subscribe and comment on each of the stops. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch our videos and to hop. And I would also like to quickly congratulate Kelly for the hard work that she has put into these. Please head over to her store. She carries Hello Bluebird, Penny Black, Whimsy Stamps, MFT. There's lots for you to look at. I would encourage you to shop her store and just give her some love. Thank you so much, Kelly, for allowing us to create this hop, and I hope that everybody has a fabulous day. Hang on, the next view is going to be T's card, and then I will do my short share of the extra cards and how I made them. Have a great day. Bye-bye. So I just wanted to end this video with some card shares because I did make more with this particular set. This is the card that I just finished, and you can see all of the shimmer and how the pink and the blue show up underneath those stickles. So this is the one we just finished, and then I made 3 more. This right here, I used the She Builder stamp set, which is right here. It's quickly one of my favorites. It's from Penny Black, and I used it in a recent video on Courtney Krieber's channel. But I took the sentiment that says she is more precious than jewels, and then I took the 2 jewel elements and I stamped them out, and because May is my birth month, of course I did emeralds, and then I colored the other ones in a purple tone. This is some Stampin' Up! Ink that I just did some blending, and then I put the little mice down here at the bottom. I cut the 4 circles out, and that panel is popped up with some foam tape. So that is one way that you can use the stamp set. I shared this on the 7 Kids Facebook page the other day when Kelly did her release, and I took all of the flowers, or the 2 flowers and the leaf from the stamp set, and I just did some simple Copic coloring and took some black Copics and just made dots to create a background. And then this as well is a Penny Black die. It's called Framed, and so I just cut some of the elements out and used that. The kitty is popped up on some fun foam, so that's more of a fun spring card. And that was the second one, or actually the third. And then the final one, I thought this little kitty was really cute and looked like she was praying. And so I thought it would make a really nice sympathy card. I did color her with the Zig Markers, and I popped the mouse up that was also colored with Zigs. I did an inlay, which I love to do. This is 2 rectangle frames just taped together to create a frame, and then I took a Tim Holtz, I think it's a wood grain embossing folder, and I used that to emboss this with. This is a Papertrey Ink sentiment. It says praying for you, or praying for peace, healing, comfort, and encouragement. And this is ink blended with worn lipstick, pick raspberry, festive berries. And then I took a Heidi Swap stencil and sprayed some Imagine Crafts Frost Shimmer Spray to get that nice little shimmer on those polka dots. And so we have a sympathy card, we have an encouragement card, we have another encouragement card. This one I did stamp the inside saying sending happy thoughts because I thought that it was just really cute. And I just wanted to say congratulations to Kelly. This is the stamp set again that you can win. And I just hope that you hop over to her store and place an order. She does have a special on all 3 stamps if you choose to buy all 3 together. Thank you so much for hopping along with us, and good luck. I will be back to draw a winner in a few days. Happy hopping.